Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are making a video within a video. This is from our washing machine. We need to replace these bulging capacitors that's gone bad. So I thought I'd make this its own tutorial video. Got the replacement parts we need. I have soldered once to fix this weight scale. I will link that video. Let's do some research and see how we replace these. Okay, I'll be following this video by Ladybug Adventures on how to desolder and solder capacitors. My ones that came in the mail are physically smaller, but Reddit is saying as long as the voltage and capacitance is correct, I should be okay. Let's go set them up. This is the soldering iron I have. I wet the sponge that it came with, set the temperature to 350. These are the goodies that it came with. I'm gonna try using this to remove some of the solder, but it's very small, so some videos just heated it up and pulled the old capacitor off, cleaned the area up with a toothpick. Some videos have a desoldering braid made out of copper. I do not have that. We're already here, so let's try to get it off. I got this one out pretty easily. The toothpick trick didn't work very well, and I didn't use this tool because there wasn't enough solder on there. I ended up going back and forth with this, making sure it's clean and trying to get those holes in there for the new capacitor. Let's remove this one next. Got the second one off from this spot. Here's what I meant by earlier. The one we bought is physically smaller. I'm gonna make sure the negative faces the correct side. This one positive here, so the negative will go in there. And then over here, positive is on the left, negative will go there. This is the solder I'm using. I don't actually know if it's the right one, but it is what we have. Let's get the camera set up and solder those in. I am not the best at soldering, but pretty happy with my second attempt. These are my Hershey's Kisses. The ones over here look a little bit better. I'm going to cut the excess off with a nail clipper. Hopefully this fixes our washer problem, but desoldering and soldering capacitor video 224 done.